If you want to remove objects from photos quickly and easily, Canva AI makes it super simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove unwanted objects from a photo using Canva's magic eraser tool, step by step. Whether you want to clean up a background, remove a person, delete text, or get rid of distracting items, this method can save you a lot of time and give your image a much cleaner look. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Canva project. You can start with an existing design or create a new one, depending on where your image is located. Once your project is open, click on the image that contains the object you want to remove. This is important because Canva needs the image selected before you can access the editing tools. After selecting the image, look at the top menu and click Edit. This will open Canva's image editing options, where you'll find a number of AI-powered tools. From the left side menu, choose Magic Eraser. This is the feature that allows you to remove unwanted parts of an image by painting over them. Now, once Magic Eraser is open, use the brush tool to paint over the object you want to remove. Try to cover the full object carefully so Canva can understand exactly what needs to disappear from the photo. If the object is small, you can keep the brush tight and precise. If it's larger or has uneven edges, take your time and brush slowly around the area. If needed, adjust the brush size before you start painting. A smaller brush gives you more control for detailed work, while a larger brush is useful for bigger objects or broader areas. Picking the right brush size can make a big difference in how clean the final result looks. After you've marked the object, click Erase. Canva AI will process the image and try to rebuild the background naturally where the object used to be. In most cases, it does a really good job blending the area so the edit looks smooth and realistic. If the first result isn't perfect, you can always undo and try again with a slightly different brush size or cover a little more of the object. That's one of the best parts of using Canva AI. You can make quick corrections without needing advanced photo editing skills. Once you're happy with the result, you can continue editing your design, export the image, or use it in your project right away. And that's how you remove objects from photos using Canva AI in just a few simple steps. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect for cleaning up images without complicated software. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.